Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing video. It's been a long time since the last one we had. As you can see, some of the cards are aging really well. Like here, the one from the rookie season from Ja Morant, just currently having a breakout season in the NBA. And I just received this beauty here. It's a Prizm collection from Panini. And I'm looking forward to share with you the excitement of unboxing this new one. So, let's start. So it's always a bit messy at the start. Hopefully it will become easier. So, as you can see, this one contains 6 packs with 4 cards per pack. It means we have 24 cards in all. So I'm really excited to see what we will find. Unfortunately, Zion is actually right now injured, but of course, if we are lucky enough to have a card with him, it would be really great. Let's see what the future holds for us. So, we start with the first one from Frank Kaminsky. Kevin Knox, unfortunately he's not having a great season in a role in New York Knicks. Oh, we have Kemba Walker, Dominance, and Aaron Nesmith. He's a great player too, but he's the good card, so to say, from this pack. It's Kemba Walker from his last season in Boston Celtics. This season he's with the New York Knicks. So, but we have to say it's really beautiful card. Nice. And go to the next one. See what we have here. We start with Eric Bledsoe. He's here with the jersey from Milwaukee Bucks, but currently he's playing for the LA Clippers. Daniel Tays with the Houston Rockets now, not the Celtics as he is in the card. Jonas Valanciunas and Bruce Brown. With this one, we didn't have any good luck. Have a better card. So on to the next one. We start off with Aaron Holiday, Darvis Basley, Kira Lewis Jr. He's a young emerging player with the New Orleans Pelicans, and Immanuel Quickley. Nice. Unfortunately, I have to say that I'm not really excited with the cards that we had till now. Let's hope that this will change. So Lou Dort from the Oklahoma City Thunder, Kemba Walker once again, but this time the original photo with him. Oh, Nikola Jokic, the MVP. This is a really great card. And Isaiah Stewart from the Detroit Pistons. I have to say, this one is really beautiful card, as you can see. It's green, Prizm green, with the MVP of last season. Who's currently having a hell of a season too. That was really a great pack. So, we have another 2 packs. Let's see. Here seems like we might have something really nice. Really excited to see what it is. Let's start with the Instant Impact with Precious Achiuwa. He's currently with the Toronto Raptors. So as you can see, this is his rookie card from the Miami Heat. Enes Kanter with the Boston Celtics. Royce O'Neal. And here is the good one. Keita Bates Diop. Nice. And on to the last one. Let's see what we have here. We start with Cameron Johnson, Josh Jackson, Bryn Forbes, and the rookie card from Vernon Carvey Jr. So, as you can see, there wasn't any, valuable cards in this pack too. But I have to say that, this dominance card with Kemba Walker and the one, of course, with the MVP are, of course, two cards I'm looking forward to add to my collection. As you can see, I have multiple MVPs here, and that usually, translates well to the future for the value of the card. So, thank you for watching, and till next time.